Global learning for fun! Thank you for watching our channel and please like and subscribe. Today we are going to learn about the life cycle of the beautiful and useful bees. The life cycle of a bee starts off with an egg. The next stage in the life cycle of a bee is the larva. The third stage in the life cycle of a bee is a pupa. And finally, there's an adult bee. The queen bee lays an egg. The organism inside the egg then develops into a larva. Larva receives food from royal jelly and a mixture of honey and bee bread. A sufficiently grown larva forms a pupa. It has a cocoon around itself. A pupa does not feed and it remains busy in reorganizing of tissues. The adult level is the final stage of a bee's life cycle. The mature bee chew their way out of their cell and emerge as adults. Here are some pictures of a beautiful bee. Please like and subscribe, and thank you for watching our channel. Global learning for fun!